Hi, you're welcome to my channel, Dozier Talbot. It's good that you stopped by today. You know what thing, guy? Just give me a thumbs up and a like on this video when you are done watching. So let's move into the business of the day. I'm going to show you in this video the proper way to send an email, how to give your email a tag, and how to copy an email, and how to also blind copy emails. So the proper ways to do that. I've gotten a lot of questions in that regard. So in this video today, using our Gmail, the Gmail that we created, I'm going to show us these things in the simple process. So dive with me as I show you this.
Okay, guys, so here is my primary email. Definitely, once I load up this email address that we created, dozyhub@gmail.com, as you can see here, dozyhub. So once I load this Gmail, once I sign in, I will be brought to my inbox section. That's the primary. I'll be brought to my inbox section. So I want to write an email. How do I write this? So there's this, if you can see, there's this pen or pencil icon here. I click on it. So this pop-up box will come with the details of the email that I'm sending. Now here we can see two. Now in two is the email you are sending, the other email you want to send a message to, you want to leave a mail for. So in this case, I want to leave a mail to Dozy Talbot. Okay, it's pop in here. I click on that. Talbot@gmail.com. And the other place we could see here is subject. So subject is the title of the email. Let's say you are sending out an email to a professional body. It's always recommended you use a subject so your email will not look like a spam, and it would also give more detail to the email you're sending. So for the purpose of this video, let's say test. So once we come back here again, there are two other actions that we'll see. Don't mind what you're seeing here or this. They are not really necessary. These are extensions that I added to my Gmail. That's why you're seeing this. So here you can see CC. CC means copy, and here you can see BCC. BCC means blind. Okay, CC means carbon copy, while BCC means blind carbon copy. So now their functions are similar, but they are different. Now copy, let's say you are in an organization and you're using Gmail to send out an email, and you're sending out to the different departments, and you want them to know that these departments are aware of this particular email you're sending, or you're sending to a group of persons whom you want to know that this group of persons, okay, in an organization or whatever structure, and you want them to see that you've copied this email, just like we do with letters. You click on CC, or you type out their mails. You type out their mails like this. You type out their mails like this. So once you've typed out this email, once I'm done writing this email and send, these two receivers would know that this will know I sent to this person, and this person will know I sent to this person. But once you click on BCC, once I click on BCC, now, okay, I might copy and I might do the same. So once I send all the emails that be in BCC, they would receive this email individually and wouldn't know that I sent it to the other party. So I write here. Here now is the body of my email. Hello. So let's say this is the content of my email. Once we come, we'll also see other functions here. We'll see the formatting option for my text. We will see attach here. When I click on attach a file, I can either attach a media or a document. But when I click here, I can attach a document or a media. Here I can insert link, a simile. Maybe in my subsequent videos I will explain these other functions and show us how it works. Here I'll be picking something from Google Drive. Here I can paste. When I put insert image, the image rests on the body of this mail. So like I said, I'm going to explain all this function and show us how it works in my other subsequent videos. So that's why you should do well to subscribe. So once I click on this send, I wait for some seconds. Now we get your message has been sent. If I want this sent to retrieve, I click on undo. Then but this message has been sent to these emails. So let me go to send option. I click on now. Okay, as we can see, this is the only email we've sent with this particular Gmail. So we'll get the details. It's here in the sent email because okay, as you can see, this second email is not correct, so we are getting a delivery report of this mail, but this particular email, this first mail, it delivered successfully. So anytime you send an email and it doesn't deliver successfully, mail delivery subsystem will give us a report on that. So this email is either wrong, which it is, I've seen the error, or it doesn't exist. It doesn't really exist, so that's why it's bouncing back. So guys, if you enjoyed this video on how you can send an email, I would want you to do one thing: give the video a like, and also do well to subscribe to my channel, so whenever I make videos like this, you will always be the first to be notified. Thank you for watching.